Hello, my name is Rickia Spivey-Kennedy. I prefer to be called Rickia or Ricky. I'm originally from the Philadelphia area, but reside in Newark, Delaware, with my husband and my 7 children. My work experience is for the past 5 to 7 years. I've been working as a mobile therapist in the city of Philadelphia, providing services in home, family sessions and individual sessions, using mainly CBT and trauma-focused therapy. I also have worked in the schools as a lead clinician, providing therapeutic services in that arena, as well as a clinician utilizing CBT, trauma-focused, and motivational interviewing techniques. I am a mother of 7, like I said. I also work, so I'm very busy. Having an extremely full household to maintain. We don't have any pets. We have enough kids. I enjoy spending time with my family, and I'm very spiritual and spend a lot of time studying and practicing my religion. What I look forward to about the Widener program is enhancing and learning more about trauma-focused care. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And I also look forward to getting to meet new people and various experiences. I am anxious. I've been out of school for 10 years, so I'm feeling a little anxiety about starting all over again. However, I feel that it'll be okay, and that it's my own self-sabotaging behaviors that are getting into my brain, telling me that I can't do it when I know I'm quite capable of doing it. So that's a little bit about me. Can't wait to work with you guys soon and talk to you all. Have a good one.